Come join us for the CTE Open House and see our different spaces and tools the students have available. On the first floor, check out not one, not two, but 3 engineering rooms equipped with tons of technology. In addition to our engineering rooms, we have a CNC shop where our students can design and fabricate their projects. Also, check out our 2 consumer science rooms where students can learn about nutrition, cooking, and sewing. These rooms are equipped with modern appliances and equipment, providing students with hands-on learning experiences. On the second floor, check out some of the business rooms where students can learn about finance, marketing, and entrepreneurship. Along with the business rooms, come see the school's coffee shop, Wiley's Common Grounds. The capstone projects are projects where students will address a challenging issue that will stretch their intellectual and personal growth in their desired area of study. Students have 18 weeks to research and construct their project. Check out the various capstone projects our students have been working on and see all the hard work put into them.
Come see our robot Bill and learn about our newly established first FRC robotics team that was awarded the Rookie Inspiration at the Seven Rivers Regional Competition.
Last but not least, come learn about various CTE clubs, which include FFA, FBLA, and FCCLA. These clubs provide more opportunities for students to learn and improve their career skills.